What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a very long time since I've checked in with you all last, and I think you're all due for an update. So I'm gonna say it's been about a month or a month and a half, of which a lot has been accomplished. In fact, pretty well, we are finished. I'm gonna go through some of the details with you guys today, show you what's left. Obviously, we have stairs being made right here. That's a single stringer that's going on right now. Just waiting for Brennan to show up and weld that together for us. But a lot of updates, a lot of changes, not only on the house, as well as some of the ATV stuff. We'll go through that individually. Remember to like and subscribe. We're also gonna kickstart the web store again. I'm getting a ton of requests for hats, for jerseys, as well as some new merchandise out there. So bear with me. I will get that going in the next few weeks. Now that the fake virus has ramped down, we're able to get some supply again, and I'm gonna stockpile as much as possible. Hey, Boost, wanna say hi? Yes, I did shave him and it's growing and patchy. Not his fault. It's gonna look fine in a few weeks, buddy, don't worry. All right, so let's have a quick look here at what's going on with my dad's machine. So we've ripped everything off of it, and so that was a stock machine, 6-inch portals, 45s. We've actually gotten rid of all that. Ignore the dustpan here. We've gone with some 8-inch Super ATV portals with the Turner gear, straight cut gear inside. That's going to be mounted to, and ignore those. Everything's in powder right now, to a PATV 10-inch lift. We're getting rid of the ball joints completely. The whole rear radius rod section is completely redesigned. Basically taking anything that could happen bad on a trail with your standard kind of portal to stock machine, we've removed that completely. So this thing's going to be absolutely bulletproof, and my favorite part is it's mounted to these scooped and grooved 50-inch super lightweight tires. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the lug on that is pretty damn extreme. Obviously I've got my big girl over here, but yeah, so that's going to be done probably in the next 2 weeks or so. We are updating the power steering to try and be able to handle the extra load or size. I think it's going to be perfectly fine. That being said, everyone online says it is something to worry about, so we're going to tackle that. Oh yeah, good old Turner axles. Pop out of the C-clip every single time. But otherwise, not much changes to that besides, you know, the massive, you know, portals and stuff. It's going to sit about, I'm going to say, give or take, maybe a foot higher than it was before, and it was already pretty large. Old spark still kicking around. Haven't really done much to that besides the stage 2. Trackhawk doing well. Obviously, you guys saw the wrap. It's holding up. It's amazing. This is probably one of my favorite wrapped vehicles out there. Super happy with the performance of this. Actually, I got on it the other day and it went right into traction control and limped me out. So I got to kind of look into that with my buddy Mike. Otherwise, that is ready to race. Debbie, obviously ready to rock and roll on her portals. We've got new Warrior Riser snorkels on it. Sorry, she's a bit high right now. Back to the Tesla. Can't say enough about it. What a wonderful vehicle that is. I got about 6,000, maybe 6,500 kilometers on there, about 5,000 miles. Hasn't missed a beat. I go to Toronto and back with it on a single charge. We do have the wall charger in now, so I don't have to run to the superstation anymore. Supercharging station, excuse me. What a beautiful car. It is ceramic coated. It takes 2 minutes to clean. That being said, check out that fender gap. Check out that fender gap. Tesla, get it together, man. Not that great fit and finish, but still a beautiful car. Don't have much negative to say about it. You guys all saw the video of me running this through the bounty hole. Love this thing. The tires actually surface holders right now. This is gotta be my favoriteest toy, We've got a few kinks and kind of bumps to work out, like these kind of spinning around on us. That's just your regular Heim stuff. Hey, Dirks. I'm filming over here. Mind keeping it down? Thank you. Other than that, completely flawless. We did go ahead and wrap that. Not sure if I captured on our last video. We went ahead and wrapped Brennan's as well, and we've got a special plan for my dad's over there. But there you have it. Absolutely phenomenal machine. We plan on taking this out in the next few weeks and doing some cool stuff with it. We will be attending Augusta, and as well as a few other mud bounties. Now, gym. Whew, that has been one heck of an adventure. A lot of my fitness equipment didn't make it. Dirks, why are you eating a plate? What is wrong with you, huh? So we've kind of downsized a little bit on the equipment that I have. That being said, we are adding more. So I have 2 more rolls sitting right there of gym floor. We're gonna extend it out to here. The gym's a lot bigger than I originally wanted it to be. I guess on paper, gym equipment isn't as big as you would think it is, or I'm just really poor at organizing it, but we're adding several more machines. I have to have a nice walkway out here. Ignore how dirty it is. My dogs like to play in the mud. Don't you, Dirks? Ignoring me now is in trouble. So a few more machines to add in here. Extra gym floor happening. We have gone ahead and stoned these. So the stone's on. Those are the granite countertops or tops that are going to go here. And these are going to be cased this week, probably in a hand scraped and painted black. Just going to keep the look of the Maybach that's going on up there. Probably the nicest feature was adding this siding. I think it's a cedar siding. I think the colors that we had chosen are phenomenal. Really make the building pop, make it look like a home, if you will. And it's inside, so it's gonna literally last forever. All right, let's move on here into my favorite room. Again, ignore the mess, folks. Hi, Bo. Say hello. Here you go. Main feature, windows. Let me tell you, as soon as we started cutting holes in this wall, it changed the entire look of this room. It made it much larger. Absolutely love the windows that we've chosen, all black with the window return, and it just pops that kitchen a little bit more. Again, fit and finish not done yet. Like those vents, they're gonna go. We're gonna go with that kind of drywall vent cover so that you will just see a little square around the, where the air exchangers are. Pot lights are hanging right now. We're just finished painting this, but kitchen came out flawless. We had black appliances are really hard to get. Only a few manufacturers make them. This came black, but this stove did not. And due to the limited selection of ranges sitting around, particularly at a 48 inch with as many burners, the price range is extremely high. And to go black, we were almost double what this range had cost. And I think all in with this range is about $20,000. Happy to share that with you guys. It's not a flex. I hate the fact that I had to buy it, but we do have black panels coming for this. You can buy them aftermarket. Turn my watch off. Looking forward to that. What I really like about it is you can actually customize your little logo down there. Now I'm gonna get rid of that. It's kind of corny. Just love that kind of stuff. Now we got our hood range up here as well. It is KitchenAid. Absolutely phenomenal piece. We are going to wrap it the same color as the fridges. A lot of guys were asking, girls were asking what that's wrapped with. This is a car wrap. So it is pretty scratch resistant, fingerprint resistant. You just wash it off with some Windex. At least I have been, and it's worked really, really well. So that is the kitchen. Countertops are on. I don't know if I showed you guys that. This is all storage down in front here. Walking on off to the office. Now, I don't have my pot lights installed just yet. They are coming. Oh yeah, that bathroom's roughed in now. But here you go. This is the office setup, guys. I've got a big TV going up here. That's a cell booster, so we're gonna hide that with my security cameras. We have 2 49-inch Asus monitors. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I do for a living, you already know, but having as much real estate as possible is something that I need to do. I'm multitasking all day, every day, answering IMs. So this, coupled with the view, which will change once we do landscaping, is gonna be huge for me. From working in an RV to working in a very small office place to now having my own place where I can shut the door, beautiful drop ceilings in here with shiplap, fish tank's gonna go here on the wall. I'm really looking forward to actually going to work for the first time in a very long time. All these pot lights are in, all the smoke alarms are ready to go. Obviously the main feature is here. Staircase, getting that prepped. That's gonna come down to about here with railings up top. Look at the beautiful lighting. let's take a quick roll upstairs. I'll show you the laundry room before I do that. It's a little messy, so bear with me, folks. But dog wash is in, washer and dryer are in. We're just waiting for some cabinetry to happen over here. You wanna follow me? You know you're going to. German Shepherds, I tell you. No? Gonna give me my space for the first time ever, huh? Embarrass me. You see, this whole wall is done. Absolutely stunning. Let's walk on up to the bar here. I'm out of breath already. This is gonna be tinted one way, like limo tint. I just don't want people to be able to see inside. Same with these windows over here. But you can see the bar is completely done. Lighting's going on, or is already on in here. All the TVs, maximum TVs. If you guys want to ask why, I don't know why. I just did it because I wanted them. All right, end of the video there. Excellent. We have the keg fridge ready to rock and roll. All the cabinetry are in, dishwasher's in. Heck, we even got running water up here. Just waiting for the beer lines to come in. We're gonna run those all in behind and actually have the kegs, drill a hole into this and have the kegs inside here. So that is that. Let me see if I can turn the lights off here and show you guys the ambiance. Look at that. How cool is that? Brennan really knocked this out of the park with the all the lighting. Really nice when you get the shop lights off and you're just sitting here with low lights. Again, the view, look at this. Can't wait for furniture. Nice big fan. Otherwise, all of the rooms are done. A little messy in here, but we've got the bathroom going on. We've got all the light up mirrors. Maybe I don't know all the switches just yet. Here we go. All right. Pretty bougie bathroom if you ask me, particularly for kind of your regular bar bathroom. All the lights are in. We have another completed room, just waiting for TV. Another good sized room. And then the master, which is a little bit dirty right now, folks. And I didn't make my bed, so I apologize. But, hi, Charlie. You just hanging out here, buddy? We've got everything going. Obviously, I've got some work to do on the electronics front end here, you know, hiding all the stuff behind the walls, what have you. But all the windows are in, ready to rock and roll. Beautiful view. What I love most about living here, folks, is there is no noise. You might hear a couple birds chirp or some frogs squeak or whatever frogs do, ribbit. But it is just completely quiet up here. I was staying in Toronto a couple nights ago. I don't know how you guys do it. Cars going by, sirens, ambulances, not my cup of tea. And then we've got the master in here. Tub is in. We're waiting for the shower glass. That should show up any day now. So it's gonna go from here to here, all the way to the ceiling. And then we've got this beautiful mirror. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that piece. So a few more things to do in here. Obviously massive space in here. We're gonna get California Closets to furnish this for us and design it how we want. But there you go. That's pretty well the tour of the house. We are nearing completion. Once these stairs are in, we'll be able to get measurements down here and get some furniture in the place. We've got railings coming. We've got stairs going on outside. Besides that, I'm gonna say last, but certainly not least, we are having the inside of the shop cladded with steel. A lot of folks have been asking what we're gonna do for fire code. You can't be showing spray foam, so it's gotta be cladded. Just waiting for the final quote on that. Not cheap. I can't imagine it's gonna be cheap. And then once that's done, then we are gonna, Alfie, what are you doing? Yeah, I thought so. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and epoxy the floors. All this concrete just generates so much dust driving me a little bit batty. So once I get this whole floor epoxied, it's really gonna pop with all the colors that we've chosen. But that's the tour for now. Obviously we got some big updates with the 6x6, keeping it a bit secret for the moment. Showed you my dad's. We've got another machine coming in a few weeks. I am gonna leave that one stock. Okay, stockish. And then we are ready to have our housewarming party August 6th. So August 6th, it's a Saturday. Absolutely everybody's welcome. Complete open house. I will have security here. I will have a live band here. I will have food here. Come by, stop in, say hello, check out the house, check out the machines. Come say hi to the dogs, particularly this one. He's a very bad dog. Let's see how he's even. Are you a bad dog? No, he's a good dog. All right, folks, like and subscribe. We are going to get back to regular scheduled programming here very soon. Sorry it's taken so long. It's just been a heck of a journey building the house. Massive updates on the outside, but I'm not going to show anybody until it's done. So we're not too far from that being finished. Have a great evening, folks.